Meet your new space-saving essential. This compact unit transforms into a functional desk and chair set, complete with built-in storage, a lower shelf, and a hidden drawer. Designed for small spaces and everyday comfort, let's build it. First, we assemble the desk frame. Now we use a jigsaw to precision cut the main panels. This creates an interlocking fit, allowing the pieces to slide together perfectly. We start by connecting the side and back panels to create a solid, sturdy base. Once the structure is steady, we attach the desktop, which features a built-in power station with USB-C fast charging and dual outlets, keeping your devices powered and within reach. Finally, we add the lower shelf for that extra storage, compact, practical, and built for your daily workspace. Next, we move on to the chair. We begin by assembling the lower base piece by piece to create the foundation for the storage compartment. Once the base is solid, we attach the front door mechanism. We install the hinges, the gas struts for smooth operation, and a spring-loaded catch on both the door and the frame to ensure a secure, flush closure. Finally, we attach the side and back panels to complete the chair's frame. Every part fits together for a seamless, finished look. Finally, both pieces come together to create one compact solution. The dimensions can easily be adapted to fit your own space, and 5 different finishes let you choose the style that suits your home best. Minimal design, maximum functionality, and everyday comfort. Subscribe to Simple Vision for more smart furniture ideas and creative DIY projects.